Sherry Parker, then age 40 years, now age 51 years, real name Taraji P. Henson. Cast Mr. Han, then age 56 years, now age 67 years, real name Jackie Chan. Cast Chang, then age 15 years, now age 26 years, real name Wenwen Han. Cast Liang, then age 11 years, now age 22 years, real name Shijia Lu. Cast Mr. Mills, then age 53 years, now age 64 years, real name Zhansu Wu. Cast Harry, then age 14 years, now age 25 years, real name Luke Carberry. Cast Master Lee, then age 52 years, now age 63 years, real name Rongguang. Cast Zhuang, then age 12 years, now age 23 years, real name Yi Zhao. Cast Dre Detroit Trent, then age 11 years, now age 22 years, real name Jared Mintz. Cast Dre Parker, then age 12 years, now age 23 years, real name Jaden Smith. Cast Ping Pong Man, then age 60 years, now age 72 years, real name Jillian Liang. Cast Mrs. Paul, then age 48 years, now age 59 years, real name Hedy Wong. Cast Gosh, Miang's mom. Then aged 45 years. Now aged 56 years. Real name Jiang Wang. Gosh, history teacher. Then aged 31 years. Now aged 42 years. Real name Des Liu. Gosh, Miang. Then aged 15 years. Now aged 26 years. Real name Wenwen Han. Gosh, music instructor. Then aged 51 years. Now aged 62 years. Real name Harry Van Rongguang. Thanks for watching.